This Windermere Real Estate Whatcom, Incorporated property video is presented by John Templeton. This like new modern contemporary home will grab your heart. Perfect for entertaining with its open floor plan and mesmerizing Bay City view. The large kitchen is your cook's delight. Southern orientation gives perfect winter sun exposure and summer protection from intense heat. Back property line adjoins open space area providing privacy and separation from neighbors and additional use of rear deck and patio. Easy access to Barkley Village. For more information, review the details below.